Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Threads we click on settings. Here if we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page we'll search about the application of Threads and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you.